Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. I told you guys yesterday that I'm going to be having Atasa part 1, 2, and 3. So welcome back to this part of the Atasa video. This is part 2, and I believe strongly that you guys are going to enjoy whatever is out there allegedly we are picking. Ebusia, and right now, sorry, say video now me drop here. Instead of $250,000, no, I mentioned 250. I mentioned $2,500. And the correction number, I went back to listen to the other video, the one I do previously before the other one, no? And I saw say it was a slip of tongue. So Monfan Chemin, send it here. Now today, I have something very unique to tell all of you. Yesterday, I gave you guys some portion of what I want to talk about in the part 2. And what I'll be doing is that whatever I want to talk about in part 3, I'll give you also a gist of that particular one. Now, I told you yesterday, say, Atasa, aka self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king, he's not happy because of the shift in getting people to be residents of the Republic of Ghana. And I want to echo on it that the suggestion that was brought forth by Muntaka Mubarak for people who want to come and be residents of the Republic of Ghana to be paying $250,000. No, Charlie, we all have to support that. You know why? Initially, from all this hula balu thing, Muntaka Mubarak was very quiet. He was not saying anything, but information reaching us, as in what I told you people yesterday, I said, Muntaka Mubarak have seen the loopholes in the system. They have seen that these Atasa and his people, they are using our loopholes to do their own thing. So coming up to come and talk about $250,000, no, it was something that he has thought about it and actually envisaged everything that before he came to actually spoke about the whole thing. And that is why Atasa was not happy about it, right? Yes, because he was trying to maneuver his way through to get some people to come and get residents and so they can build up, that was his mindset. Now, today I'm here to tell you what is going to happen. Atasa is heading to Nigeria. And somebody will say, why do you want to talk about Atasa heading to Nigeria? Why? I mean, that is his country, right? So he has the right to go there. Now, let me tell you guys the reasons and why Atasa is going to Nigeria. Now, number one, Atasa will be having a program during the Christmas festivities. Listen carefully. Allegedly, we are picking the signal that he's planning to organize a program. Why this program? It is because he was denied access to do the Yam Festival. Now, he's trying to use every other festive system to do something to still invite his people to come in and all that. So he's gonna travel to Nigeria, and when he traveled to Nigeria, in the name of going for a program, which he already shared a couple of it online and saying that he's going for blah 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 blah. I mean, you are going to your country. Who cares when you want to go for a program in your country? Nobody cares about it. But the secret behind him going to his country is that he want to go there to go and fortify himself. That's number one. Number two, he want to go back there to his country to go and invite more people for that program that he intended to organize, okay, in Ghana, okay? He's just going to do all those things. Those machinations are the things he's going to do. I'm telling you guys that this man, whatever he will try to do, we will continue to expose him back to back to back to back to back to back. Okay, that is the most important stuff we're going to do now. Now, let me tell you guys also that the program that Atasa is trying to organize, this program, vis-a-vis what I'm hearing, he will use somebody to organize that program on 25th, okay? On 25th of December. On 25th of December, he will try to organize that program. And allegedly, according to what I'm hearing, that program will be coming on around the Nungwa Sakumono Road there, okay? That's where he's trying to organize there. You want to organize something like that, like a beach, farm fair, whatever it is. It was that particular place. And he want to use a couple of people. He want to go to Nigeria and invite some people to come in, to come and make like his Oga or his this, is that, and make fun and all that. Now, let me just warn you people. The reason why I want to say this is this. Going to fortify yourself in Nigeria is not a problem to us. Okay, go, and even if you like, when you go, don't come back again. I mean, if you like, when you go, I don't want to say certain. Me bomb pie say on or call back on stroke. What is here? Or qua or stroke. Ewo hosene be ya on sanechi mama 19 fasa we ni bukasi ni buburu ni tiso. Ghana for me sremo madaro. Okay, obia mom pie say Atasa to kwan edi akọ ne krom no ekọ akọ 45 ne ho no. May the God of Ghana go with him and never come back. What do you say there? Tie me, mami repeat me ho. Me say or call Nigeria, right? Atasa call Nigeria. Nigeria na all no. He's going there to invite people for a program he intended to organize, okay? Using somebody and not himself. Or the nimbe tete na nipa na organize program no mo nyina wa akọ no akọ kire omo those omo nyama na omo ye no. Now, going to Nigeria, no, and I make say, Mr. Ghana for who share video now, Mr. Fan Bible, good comment ni Emani, who comment my comment in your Bible. Has he traveled back to go and fortify himself? No, Empire ye born say, oh, kui, manu konya stroke. Send a bear, sa we ne bukasi no de katane tituswa, or koya konya banin nano, a tuabetra. You understand what I'm saying? So I need all of you to start praying from today, Bompaye, because we all pay quite be at the anya space ewo Ghana or quack of 45 or ba nipe bia or the ninsabetu ninsem say or the ninsem to sani paninsem say we wakon. That's what he's trying to do, and that's what he's trying to travel out there to go and do, to go and fortify himself and invite people. Yesterday I told you people say ni idea ni say the growing concern about all what is going on with what Dr. Asan Yarega and Kwakwana started and are eating into the youth, and most people are coming on board. So he's going out there to go and invite people. There will be more. In the name of ECOWAS, then there will be more. So, but all in Paiba say. You understand what I'm saying? Now let me tell you something also that you want to hear. Now, program no let me use this opportunity, right? To talk to people. If you are living in Nungwa, Ashama, Tema, Accra area, Medina, if you heard that there's any program coming on 25th and 26th of December, and that program was organized by somebody who is coming from listen to me carefully. Don't go to and cause our program also. Okay, and cause our program not so cry. Now, if you have a friend who is traveling from any part of the world coming to Ghana for a dirty December in Ghana, tell that person that in case there's any program organized around the Sakumono area, they shouldn't attend that program because these guys have a master plan. Kidnapping ebe koso. It was our program also. You big man for phone, they will do a lot of things under that program. Okay, so don't even try to go to that program at all. Atasa want to do this. It is very, very important. Atasa is planning that program. See, I cried the manyan in TSA was summa those people now You know them, those Ghanaians now they keep going around and trying to check venues for a program of that magnitude. Okay, so he want to put all those things in place, and I keep telling you guys, say, Papa, dear be obey or plan or butaye. He's a smart guy, but we have to show him, say, we are smarter. What do you say there? We have to show him, say, we are smarter because we're planning all those things in there too. He want to just use that one to show himself, say, oh, you see. And no, now let me use this opportunity also to caution him. Mr. Atasa, did you remember that Niteko to the second, the government has warned you? You see, you are not listening and you want to trespass because you have the backings of the president, John Dramani Mahama. But I'm sorry to tell you, say, there are a couple of people within the NDC who are not happy about the situation, and we are hearing, okay, that people are gathering together, and very soon you'll be shocked. I'm telling you, very soon you will receive it. Very soon. Okay, very soon you receive it. Woto. No problem if you want to go back to your country. Go there. But I'm saying, when you go, may the God of Ghana keep you there. What do you say there? Ukwa, may the God of Ghana keep you there. Uko program, whatever you are going. And your program, we know what you want to do. We know plans are taken in now. We know how many people you've been contacted. You are even trying to say these people, there people. All those things you are doing, all of us here, including the top people that are in charge of security, everybody know exactly what is going on, Mr. Atasa. So don't think that we have forgotten. Okay, don't think say we have forgotten all those things now. We know. Again, let me warn you, say, don't think say Ghanaians are actually fools. Let me warn you, don't think say we are fools and say, oh, we are no near Kosono because of this, these guys have forgotten about it. No. I told you yesterday, say we are quiet, but we are doing what? We are working. So stay alert because we will surprise you. Let me tell you, we are going to surprise you. You Atasa, we will surprise you. You go to your country and go do whatever you want to do. But before you come back again, you understand what is going on. Ebusha, a while ago, no, I spoke with a couple of people, and that's Nyama Air Kosono. I will tell you guys all those things in my next video. But I'm happy to tell you, I am very, very happy to tell you that there are people in the Gamanche Palace who are very pissed. Okay? There are people in Gamanche Palace, Ni Teko Chulu's Palace, who are very, very pissed with respect to what Chuku the Jude is doing. Let me tell you also that some of them even don't know that recently this Chuku the Jude guy, he installed an Igbo chief. So they are coming. Don't worry. You think it's a joke. You think you can do whatever you want in our country and then you can just be working in the name of ECOWAS. You see, the problem is that, you see, the reason it also here is this. This ECOWAS thing is about time we really exit. I told you guys last time, said, exiting ECOWAS is going to help us as a country. Ask me why. ECOWAS and the head office is sitting in Abuja, in Nigeria. Ask yourself, when they introduced the ECOWAS passport, that blue passport, how many Ghanaians were able to go collect that ECOWAS passport? Tell me, it was for Nigerians to collect, just to be visiting and go and stay. So that the whole thing of ECOWAS, it is something that we have to think about it deep and exit. Okay, so I want you guys to come in. When you come in, type in ECOWAS Gazette, right? Hashtag Gazette. Type that one in because that is the most important thing. Ghana have to exit ECOWAS, and after we exit, we have to plan and restructure our borders properly. It's not like we are preventing people from entering, but we have to make sure whatever we are putting there, we can use it to track the people that are entering into our country, and we know them, we know their name, we know their fingerprint and everything. We can track them. We can give them some permanent or some temporary card B, so we know their name and the serial number, so when they do something we are able to track them. These are the things that will help us as a country. Guys, I need your comment down there. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, and this is the part 2 of the Atasa. Atasa is traveling to Niger. Like I said, 1, he want to go and fortify himself. 2, he's going to invite people because he has a program on 25th and 26th of December. So he's want to go there, go invite people to come in. The idea is the more people he invite, the more come in, the more will stay, and then he's going to get more people to control. You understand his point here? Bring more people in, be able to control those people, and then he can do whatever he wants to do. So again, Ghana Immigration Service. Before I go, let me leave this message at your doors. Ghana Immigration Service. I'm saying that from today going onwards, forward, whatever Muntaka Mumbarak proposed, the $250,000 must be implemented. That will stop a lot of people. That will actually help. That will clean the system. You understand me? That will clean the system. Yesterday also I said that our women, please, foreigner be back, not foreigner per se worry. Don't just see it as a way of, no, see it as a way of making money. Check with our Kata people. Check in the US. I said if you want to marry somebody, it's not free. Oh, I say kakrebi is free, but if you want to do those, it's not free. Especially when they know that you don't have document. Before we check and they know you don't have document, they will tell you come and pay me $8,000, $10,000, $15,000, $35,000. They will charge you for that marriage, and you stay with them. Or you chop the pekus, yet they will take the money. So this goes to the Ghana girls. If you want to marry any foreigner and you take the foreigner home, tell those your family members that they should charge that foreigner like $120,000, so you can marry that foreigner and then you can keep that money, because at the end of the day he's coming to get resident and coming to get a permanent resident or naturalization out of you. And what do you gain? Nothing. He will just make you produce babies, and you are happy. You understand me? So let's also go ahead and advise our sisters about some of these things. Now, before I go, I'll continue to echo on this. Those renting houses, shops, and everything, let's stop renting it for these people, okay? Now, yesterday, I got some information that in Tama Community 25, Atasa has a lot of boys out there in Tama Community 25. Now, we have to make sure we deal with that one too. Those Nigerians living in Tama Community 25, Ekanka, those doing the bad things, and the Igbos, we are coming. Prepare yourself. If you think we are fools and we don't know what we are about, we're going to make sure we send you guys and your asses back to where you're coming from, because you cannot come and stay in Ghana and do what you think is good for you and they violate our rules, our regulation, and keep selling things around. You are not allowed to sell, you know it. Even Ghanaians living in Nigeria, they are not able to sell. I saw the video where a Ghanaian who was weaving basket is not able to sell it to the local market. He has to sell it to somebody at a cheaper rate. So you guys are here doing that and think that we as Ghanaians are fools. It will not happen again. ECOWAS, we are going to exit. It's going to be tough, but we will do so, because at the end of the day, Ghana is not benefiting at all from ECOWAS. You guys are benefiting. Ebusha, remember, your subscription, your comments, and your like to this video are very, very important to this video, because if I have 20k people watching this video and I have 5 likes, it's not going to help the video. So when you hit on this video, first of all, hit on the like button, comment below, and share the video to a brother, to another brother. So in December 2025, 5 and 6, we'll be careful. Don't attend any program organized by a Nigerian. That's an Ebeshia Pia Yakob.